All right. So the next thing that I want to touch base on is that I've been getting a lot of people like commenting up underneath my videos and reaching out to me via email and things of that nature, asking me about Flipster, which if you don't know, you probably should know if you watch my channel, I would assume, but that's Jerry Norton's Flipster software, his real estate investing software that you can pull leads, get comps, all of these different things from, right? Well, however, recently with the Flipster 8.0 updates, they changed the system. One of the big things, this is what people have been commenting and reaching out to me about, is that the skip tracing is no longer free on Flipster 8.0. So if you grab Flipster today, the skip tracing is not going to be free anymore. I know that that was one of the biggest, like, best things inside of there at that point. Now, apparently they say that they've gotten significantly better data. And at the same time, keep it a buck. I mean, it's still cheaper than PropStream. I mean, in terms of the skip tracing or whatever, most other companies are charging 15 cents, 12 cents. It's 10 cents. So that's not too bad. That's actually kind of reasonable, but it's still a cost for the skip tracing. So I just want to kind of give y'all that particular update. I will be doing like a much more thorough review of Flipster 8.0. Where I'll actually go into the system, see how it's operating, see if they've added new features and things like that or whatever. But I will let y'all know that skip tracing is no longer free inside of Flipster, so you will have to get those skip traced outside of the software if you did want to get those people's phone numbers. So just keep that in mind, just giving y'all a brief little update, some wholesaling news out here, all right? That being said, though, if you did want to grab Flipster, definitely make sure y'all check out that link down below to grab a free trial to Flipster today. Don't hesitate.